So we have Luxury Eyeglass Cleaner. Here's what it looks like. I just tested this on my glasses and it works perfectly. Like, yes, I have a little scratch on my glasses on this lens, but it works perfectly. Like, you just take it and you spray a little bit. Like, I'm not gonna spray it because I just cleaned them, but you'll take it and you'll spray some on the inner lens, some more on the inner lens, and then you'll flip it and do it again on the outer lens. Now, if you're worried about it dripping, then you could spray on the inner lens first and then wipe it with a paper towel. Not a towel, because a towel would be too rough. And then you could shake it, spray it on the outer lens, and wipe it really good with a paper towel. Like, wipe it a couple times with a paper towel, and this will leave you seeing everything crystal clear. Like, crystal clear. Like, I have tried so many other wipes, like the little actual lens wipes that you can keep in your purse or pocket. I use those too as well, but I wanted to get this one to test it out because, you know, I'm always looking for something to clean my glasses. Now, you can use soap and water to clean your glasses. Just, you know, put a little bit of hand soap or bath soap on your glasses and rub it in and clean it. But I feel like this Luxury Eyeglass Cleaner anti-reflective glass plastic and cleaner works great on your glasses, because I just tried it and I just got this today and I'm in love with it already. Like, this is going with me wherever I go now, because if I need to clean my glasses on the go, and this is great for fitting in your bag or purse. Like, I have two bags I use. I have this one for the weekend, and as you could see, we open it up here, it can fit perfectly inside your bag, because you can see how, like, I can zip it up. So it's good for fitting inside your bag to take with you on the go if you would want to do that. I'm debating if I want to take it with me on the go. So, like, if I am somewhere and I do need a quick way to clean my glasses, I might also take it with me on the go. But it does fit in little bags like these, because this is a little bag. So I have a little bag like this for the weekend, and then I also have another bag just like this, but a little bit bigger for the week, during the week. But this is really good. Like, you could also, sometimes I use glass cleaner on my phone to clean it, but I covered my front camera so I don't get any in the camera. You could try this on your phone, but I don't know yet because I haven't really tried it. I just mainly see where it says eyeglasses cleaner, so I may not try it on my phone. But it does a really good product. It doesn't really have a smell or anything, like I said, because it's glass cleaner. So, I mean, I don't really care, as long as as you can see, it has gotten my glasses pretty clean, aside from the scratch that is right here on my left lens. I don't know how it got there, don't ask. But I don't know. So other than that, my glasses do stay pretty clean with this cleanser. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please make sure you comment down below. Leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and turn on that bell.